Let's get you first the latest updates on the monsoon fury in parts of North India. A series of flash floods in Himachal Pradesh, in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh has claimed so far over 20 lives. Cloudbursts have triggered flash floods, leading to a rising water level in many rivers. These flash floods also led to landslides, which caused many houses to be completely washed away. And that's why several people are still missing post the devastation. The search operations for these missing persons is underway. Rescue operations, unfortunately, in places like Kishtwar of Jammu and Kashmir were halted last evening due to inclement weather. The natural calamity has also led to waterlogging and flooding in many low-lying areas. The centre and state relief teams have been deployed to save as many lives as possible. The Met Department has predicted that there will be more rains in these states over the next 1 week, so no respite expected as of now. Sunilji Bhatt is joining us live from Akhnur with more details on this. Sunilji, water levels in rivers have risen to the dangerous mark, have risen to dangerous levels, and that's very worrisome because anyone who lives near these rivers is facing a problem right now.
Absolutely, Akshita. Water level has increased in most of the rivers here in Jammu and Kashmir. Right now, I'm standing on the banks of River Chenab, and here also you can see the swollen waters of Chenab River are posing a big threat to the residential areas which are nearby the banks. The administration is making contingency plans. The people have been advised that they should not venture out near the banks and ghats of Chenab River. But situation remains grim in many parts of Jammu and Kashmir. We saw that there was a cloud burst in Dachin area of Kishtwar district, and 7 dead bodies have been recovered from there. 19 people are still missing, and the rescue operations are still on, but the inclement weather is making very difficult for the rescue teams to carry out the operation. The administration is saying that the situation is under control. They are taking all preventive measures so that these floods don't create much havoc in Jammu and Kashmir. But already most of the rivers are flowing near the danger mark, and here in Akhnur town also we can see that this Chenab River is flowing at a very dangerous level. And remember, Chenab River flows through many districts of Jammu and Kashmir, including Kishtwar. And due to the cloud burst there, the water level has increased in Chenab River, and now there is a major threat to the low-lying areas here in Jammu and Kashmir. Akshita, back to you.
Sunilji, thank you for getting us that ground report. Let's hope that the situation gets better in the coming days. Unfortunately, the Met Department say that the rains will continue through the week. Here's a report on what the situation is in different states of the country. A series of flash floods and cloudbursts has claimed over 20 lives in parts of North India till now. Teams of the National Disaster Response Force, other state bodies have also been deployed now to carry out rescue operations and to assess the damage on the ground.
Heavy rains, flash floods. The deluge has caught North India by surprise. Several people are dead after floods wreaked havoc across Himachal Pradesh in the past 24 hours. From Lahaul Spiti to Kulu to Padar, reports of devastation are coming in. Many are missing, buried under landslides, most of them laborers.
The local administration has warned the tourists not to venture the tribal areas, particularly the areas beyond Sangla Valley, as the road is very precarious, it's dangerous. Boulders have been falling. The local administration has now called scientists of the Geological Survey of India to find out the causes why boulders were frequently falling on the tribal areas.
Similar scenes in Jammu as well. A cloudburst in Kishtwar has led to floods in Chenab River. People were spotted seeking help after a bridge that connects their village collapsed. The local administration are monitoring the situation.
तो हम जो रिलीफ मटेरियल रेड क्रॉस की तरफ से वहाँ पे ले जा रहे हैं, इसमें हम मैट्रेसेस ले रहे हैं, ये सोलर लाइट्स ले रहे हैं और बकेट्स, तो जो बाकी सामान भी है वहाँ पे, और जो कैश असिस्टेंस वगैरह लोगों को वहाँ देनी है। इसके अलावा जो राशन भी उनको प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा, जो वहाँ अफेक्टेड लोग हैं उनके लिए सारा ये रिलीफ मटेरियल।
Home Minister Amit Shah spoke to Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha for an update. Many teams of the National Disaster Response Force are in the region conducting rescue operations.
वहाँ की लोकल एसडीआरएफ जम्मू में इंतज़ार कर रही है और जम्मू में हमारी एनडीआरएफ टीम पहुँच गई है और उसको अभी हम लोगों को लेके जाना है बाय चॉपर टू द साइट, लेकिन बीच में स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की कार्रवाई चालू है और मुझे लगता है कि कुछ लोगों को बचाया भी जा चुका है और कुछ लोगों को कुछ बॉडीज निकाली जा चुकी है।
The worst may still not be over for Himachal Pradesh and Jammu. The Met Department has predicted widespread rainfall till Friday. Bureau Report, India Today.
Now, a judge